Okay, so for each of these three here, these are our three different kind of parent graphs that we got familiar with yesterday. This is the square root one because it starts in a certain place and kind of moves up, and all we need to make sure we understand is that we moved it down 2 units. So one thing you may want to consider doing, that's 0, -2. That's your h and k value based on the equations I gave you yesterday. So 0, 2, 0, -2 means your h is 0, your k is -2. I'm going to go ahead and write it out with both parts, just so we can kind of see how they're both working. This is x minus 0, because it really didn't move back and forth. I'm including the 0 in there, although you don't have to. And then outside the parentheses, you say the -2. I included the minus just to get used to using it as minus. That way it'll always be something to where you change the sign of that guy inside. This one, the parent graph of this one, and again, the parent graph of this one is y equals the square root of x. The parent of this one, y equals 1 over x. And so that, in that particular case, we are shifting it, if this is the origin, down 1 and over 2. So the new center is -2 and -1. Sorry, I should have said back 2 and down 1. I think that's what it looks like. And so we're taking this and we're moving the x in that direction. So it's going to be y equals 1 over, and again we're changing the sign of that guy, so it's an x plus 2. And then after the fact, we're going to tack this guy on with its current sign. So it's a 1 over x plus 2 and then a -1 after the fact. And then this one here, it's the cubic. We're moving it over 1, 2, 3, and then up 2. So 3, 2 is the adjustment. So we're saying y is equal to, this is an x minus 3, changing the sign, cubing it, and then the plus 2 because it's a positive 2. And you can kind of do the same thing with both of these. I was going to turn you loose. I guess I can do this one thing. This thing is not going up and over, it's going down and over. So it's gotten flip-flopped, and I think most of you might be able to figure out what to do with the flip-flop. There is a negative a value out in front. So our starting point is back 1, 2, 3, and up 1, 2, 3, 4, so -3, 4. And so we're going to put the negative out in front because that'll flip it upside down. And then the square root of x plus 3, and then plus 4 on the outside. I'll let you fend for yourself on that one.